Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day.
The sunrise is amazing today.
Let's get ready before we're late.
Our first lecture starts in 30 minutes. Then we'd better hurry. Coffee first, classes second.
These pancakes look delicious. Everything tastes better with friends.
And don't forget to eat your fruit. Everyone smile.
This campus never gets old.
Every season looks beautiful here.
Can anyone explain why teamwork is important?
Because different ideas help solve problems more effectively.
Excellent explanation.
Nice answer, Sophia. Let's review one more chapter.
We're almost finished.
We'll ace tomorrow's quiz.
Who wants some fries? Only if you share. That's friendship. Goal! I finally finished my painting!
The robot is working.
Dinner is almost ready.
Needs a little more cheese.
You always say that. Dinner.
I hope we always stay friends.
No matter where life takes us.
Always.
He's asleep again. Classic Ethan.
Wake up, sleepyhead. Today was a wonderful day. Tomorrow will be even better. Good night, everyone. Good night.